Đó baby. Ngon chứ MIT. Em sao MIT em?
Đúng không?
Đó MIT à? Sáng phần cao này. Này là baby.
So, but it may not be as aggressive as A208, A208, but it's not enough pressure. So this may help to support some of the lower strength.
Bọc, sắm bọc.
So I think it may last to
Ini bọc.
it's very effective it's effective to a lot of now it's not coming out. But at the moment, I think for the rest of the second half, third quarter, the dollar will be still very much doing well.
Hey, look at that. Who's that? What is that? What is that? What is that? What's that? Hôm nay chiến đấu chỉ cây à? Phần lên.
Look at the Asian currency for the last since March 09. That's a strong signs of a reversal of a foreign price inflow. Whether Asian markets look at equity market are going down or going up, foreign are buying. If you look at the Kospi, if you look at the Taiwan index. So it seems that there's some risk appetite or I would say that they try to reallocate back to the proportion of Asian assets. So all these portfolio equity